Dokba, you are welcome back. You said something in regard to name that if you want to get a job now in Orion or local government or in Edo State local government, being that you are part of the state geographically, and you went there and your name is Chukuma, or your name is Ifeanyi or Ishioma,
Yes.
and they will deny you that privilege because they felt you are an Igbo person. Because you were bearing Ishoma, except you change your name to Odio, Owoha, or Morodio. Now, did they call you Igbo person bearing that name, or they call you Eka person bearing that name?
Generally, everybody know. The Benin's will not deny it.
Okay.
They classify us as Owika.
Okay.
Even when you are talking, they will tell you Owika no. That means you are an Eka person.
Okay.
They take us as a Eka person.
Okay.
One, because of our language. Two, because of our name. And let me tell you, my brother, some of our subjects that goes to local government to obtain local government
certificate of origin,
they deny many of them. They would deny many of them because their names are not tally with Benin name. They will begin to ask unnecessary questions with them and say, "Are you sure you are a banky person? But you are not. It's not Benin. You are supposed to do this. Go and bring something, or go and call your king to verify you. This is this." But when you go there with Osarodion, Morodion, SAS, you get access to whatever you are requesting for.
Okay, quick one, sir. Because we are your subjects. We have Obi of Akumaze, we have just like you are Obi of OTTAH, we have Obi of Abo, Obi of Owa, we have Obi of Abavuche Uruno, we have Obi of Utopo, Obi of Umulede, Mbili, Emoho, Ekwoma, and so on and so forth, sir. Now, there is a trending news coming from Obi of Abo that there is nothing like Eka. Because I hear you now emphasizing on that word, Eka language. Obi of Abo said there is nothing like Eka language, that it is Abo language. Are you going to accept Abo language or OTTAH language, if that may be the case? Because that word Eka happen to be a general word that unites every one of us, irrespective of our community or our village. But now Obi of Abo is telling us, now Obi of Abo is now telling us that there is nothing, that Eka has no meaning, that it is Abo language, meaning that every one of us should accept that identity of Abo, living our own. What have you to say to that, sir?
On that issue, I think that one would be a misconception, because Abo is a kingdom.
Okay.
Obi of Abo is Obi of Abo. Abo kingdom. There is what we have called Eka nation. Eka nation is the language. All the Ekas from Umunede down Otolokpo, Akumanze, Utokpo, Uteromo, Owa Fezomo, Owo Igbo, Owa Liro, Idumesa, Abavo, Agbonta, Ute Oki, Toki. Otoba is the other side. To Oki, Oki 1, Oki 2. That way down to Alishime. It's a Eka language they speak. It is a language. Agbo is a kingdom. Why Eka is a language? When you hear of Eka nation comprised of Eka North East and Eka South. The communities surrounding it, that is where they say they speak Eka nation. That is why the Benin say Owika, that we speak Eka. So Ika is a language. It's just like Yoruba. When you go to Yoruba, Yoruba is a language. Yoruba nation, they speak that Yoruba. You see a lot of states, Ondo, Ogun, Lagos, Ekiti, all those areas, Osun State, they are Yoruba. The language is Yoruba. They have their own kingdoms. Ife to Ife, they have their kingdom. The same way when you go to East, the Igbos. Igbos is a language which the Easterners speak as Igbo. Then we have Anambra, we have Imo, Abia, just like that. So Ika, for me, Ika is a language. It's a when you see a nation. Then, for example, now our children who is in abroad, US or whatever, you see when they say a car in US. That a car in US, some persons are from Owoibu, some persons from Agbobi, some persons from Idumesa, some person is from Alishimie, some person is from Umunede, some person is from Akumazi. So all of them coming together, they say Ika nation. But in that Ika nation, you have Agbo, people from Agbo kingdom. You have people from Owa kingdom. So let us not miss these things.
So
that
what
speak Agbo. That is what he's saying now, that Agbo speaks Agbo. Agbo is a kingdom, it's a name. Then Ika, they are not to be Ika speaking people.
Okay. As an Ika dialect.
Yes.
Okay, now there is something you said. I just want us to run quickly to that. Now we talk about, you made mention of Igbo. Igbo speak Igbo.
Yes.
Can there be a differentiation when it comes to like the name we bear now? My name will Mado. You cross the bridge, you still see people bearing that same name.
Yes.
Kainebi, Onyenwe Mado. But Omena Kamaza Sue Onwe Mado. But Abiaza Nambra etie Onye Mado, which is the same. Just that the semantic and the lyrics make the changes. Chukwueku, Chukwuma. These are names and everything we share with those who are across the Niger that are Southeasterners.
Yes.
So what do you think, or what can you say that is different from them and us?
The difference is the states.
Okay.
Because that is why we are suffering what we are suffering.
Okay.
Because a banking is a capital.
Okay.
Because we are carved into Edo State. That is why we are suffering what we are suffering. If not, it's not supposed to be. Because let me tell you now, in Ika nation now, Ika nation, Igbanke is a Ika nation. When you talk of Ika nation, Igbanke is included.
Yes.
You know that?
Yes.
Igbanke is included. Then, when we bring different people from different communities, from different kingdoms, the language varies. There are different things you observe. For example, now, when Mado, you now is from Akumazi. When Akumazi, the person is talking, I will know this person is from Akumazi. Igbodo person is talking, I will know this person is from Igbodo. There are twists of language. Somebody from Abavo, Awo people, when they come, when they speak, you know this person is from Awo, is from Abavo. Somebody from Owa, Owoibo, Weke, when they speak, you know this person is from so person, so place. The same thing to Igbanke. When Igbanke man speaks, you will know, say, this person is like it's from Igbanke.
So like now, the language are uniform. So when an Anambra man, somebody from Onitsha,
yes,
now speak, you will hear what he or she is saying, but
yes,
you know that this one is actually coming, yes, from across the Niger.
It's just like, my brother, let us use this Aneoma as a case study. Anioma, you go to Asaba, Omo Aniocha. Eh? You go to Obi of OTTAH and Kwale side. I see those are Kwale people. You come to Ika. That is why I say Ika nation. They will not say they come to Awa or they come to Agbo. It's Ika. That Ika is where Ibaki will now join into Ika, Aniocha, and then Dokwa. Those are the people that has this Anioma if it comes. So the language varies. But when Ndokwa is talking, I will understand. When Aniocha man is talking, I will know, I will understand. But the language is different, little things. Then when a calm man is speaking, you will still know. It's the same thing. You don't need an interpretation. Somebody to interpret for you.
Okay, sir.